Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about some of the best home gym equipment on Amazon. You guys, this is one of my all-time favorites. It's from Bowflex, so you already know that it's going to be amazing. Bowflex is pretty much synonymous with all things home gym related. They are the best of the best. They are exactly, they earn their reputation. They have the best equipment out there. They've been around for the longest, and you know that when you get anything Bowflex branded, it's going to be quality and it's going to be amazing for your body. So this is their adjustable kettlebell. You guys, this adjusts from 8 pounds all the way to 40 pounds with just a turn of the dial. So instead of having a whole stack of kettlebells all around your house or in your garage gym or whatever setup you have going on, you just have one compact, really nice looking kettlebell. The handle is even ergonomically designed to be really comfortable in your hands for all of your different exercises. If you guys aren't familiar with kettlebell exercises, oh my goodness, they are so great for everything. You can do squats, you can do abs, you can do twists, you can do arms, shoulders, back, chest, literally everything. Even just doing kettlebell swings, you are going to get a cardio workout too. This is something that full body strength, full body stability, in a really natural way that's going to up your athleticism too, because you're just working that entire core. This takes full body strength, so it's an amazing way to work out. If you aren't familiar, the cool thing about buying from Bowflex is that they are going to include 24 different sessions of trainers explaining to you how exactly to use your kettlebells, how to do it safely, how to do it in a way that you are going to get the maximum results. I love that this is something that you can use as you get stronger. You can easily adjust it to work different body types, different body parts. You know that obviously you might want something like heavier when you're working big muscles in your legs and lighter when you are working little muscles like in your shoulders. So with just a turn of a dial, you can crank that from 8 pounds all the way up to 40 and back and forth as you need. It adjusts and grows with you as you get stronger over time. And you can easily use this between several people in your household if you're at different training levels. This is an amazing piece of equipment. You guys are going to be so happy with it. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You'll be so